Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And, and today, family, we're actually walking today. We're going to a place called where?
River Road.
River Road.
Yes.
And we're going where you take the bus from Mombasa to Nairobi. So we have a package to pick up family from Mombasa.
From Dreamline Express.
From Dreamline Express. So you want to take the bus to Mombasa.
Yeah.
You take it Dreamline. You go to Uganda and where?
Does Dreamline go to Uganda? Mashpoa goes to Kampala.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are many, but I'll see. I don't know. I only know of Mashpoa, but I don't know whether Dreamline goes there.
Yeah, family. So we want to take you on
But
that
we'll
journey.
show them.
Yeah, we'll show you that journey. That, if you come to Kenya and want to travel around East Africa, you can use the bus transport system, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to show you those bus, what they look like and everything.
Yeah.
So, we're just going to walk today.
And so you've decided to leave the car behind?
Yeah.
We go with?
Matatu. So it's actually my first time really taking a matatu like this, going into Nairobi. Yeah, family. So, as I was saying to you guys, we're actually, using the matatu system, the bus. It's the first time I'm using the bus like this within Nairobi.
Have you used it before?
No, I never traveled one before. It's my first time. I only traveled from Nairobi to Embu. That's a long distance, but this is a short distance.
Yeah, that's long distance.
This is my first time with the Nairobi family, so the experience, and I'm gonna show that to you, family. I'm actually in my Jamaica shirt.
Actually, let me tell them a story. I remember that time. I was going for my nanny. So I remember telling you we are going with Matatu, and you were like, we can't use Uber. And I told you Uber you'll pay like 10,000. You know?
Oh, okay.
Because it's far. It's like it's a 2 hours drive. So going with Uber is very expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So let's go and see what it looks like. I'll show you guys around and I'll take you on the journey. I hope you like, share, and comment on this video.
You also tell them how much you will pay.
Guy, how much you'll pay?
Matatu, yeah. 50 bob.
So that's 50. So
50 shillings.
so you can pay 50 shillings. That's 50 Jamaican dollar, family. And in Jamaica, you can't 50 Jamaican dollar. You can't do nothing with it. And it's the same 1-to-1 to US with Jamaican and.
So with less than $1 right now, we'll go with 50 bob and come back with 50 bob. Whoa, my banana.
So it's 100 Jamaican dollars actually. You can use for transport.
So
And there's nowhere in Jamaica you can use $100.
Even on a short distance.
Even on a short distance, they actually raised fare the other day.
So how much is like
To 150, like it was 100 before.
Okay.
Just like any short distance in and around Kingston.
Even like the way I was telling you the other day, I paid 20 shillings up to.
Yes,
100,000.
anywhere going is $100.
Aye.
But now it actually raised to all 50.
150.
150. Anywhere. So once you take the taxi and the short distance, it used to be 100 when I was in Jamaica.
150 is like I'm going to Murana. Murana is 1 hour drive.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's just like a 10 minutes drive.
Yeah.
It used to be 100.
Right.
5 minutes, 100.
So here at 10
No,
minutes
it's one.
drive, like the way we went at home in
It's
Sebi
like
and
20
stuff,
Jamaican dollars.
it's 20 shillings, 30 shillings.
Wow.
And
So different families, so different. Yeah, guys. So that's why we do this video. So if you're looking to come and experience Kenya, you can actually come.
so with 200 shillings or 200 Jamaican dollar,
Yeah.
you can move around a short distance and still
Yeah,
can
family.
buy
This is a
potato.
tree. We used to use the actually this thing. They call it donkey pee-pee. Used to spray it in your eye. Like if you have eye infection in Jamaica, we call it donkey pee-pee. Yeah, family. Yes, you were saying now?
with 200 bob,
Yeah.
you can move like short distance and still you can get your maybe tomatoes.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
a few though for one day, not
Yeah.
a lot. Don't want people to come and kill me in the comment section. It's
Yeah.
just a few, like you can get like 2 tomatoes, an onion,
Yeah.
a bunch of kales, yeah, for supper for that day.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're heading out to the gate to get the matatu. So just continue watching, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. 500. 500. It's 500.
What's store number? Store number is the one that is down. Oh.
Yeah, family. So in Kenya, you have a thing called M-Pesa, and the money is on your phone. And you come to an agent, and then you withdraw. Yes.
No, you normally go for to do printing and it's just here.
Yeah?
Printing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you normally drive all the
I realized that someone was here. Yeah. This is 500 shillings. It's a little bit more than 500 Jamaican dollars.
What?
A little bit, like a few.
Few coins.
Few coins more. Yeah. So
Okay.
let's go to the stage. I'm using 500 for today.
And it won't finish.
It won't finish.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So we're at the stage. Here you call it the stage. In Jamaica we say bus stop.
Oh.
Yeah, family. So we're at the stage. This is where you'll actually wait. We want the big bus, right?
Yeah. Because why?
Not the small bus.
Because why? You know the road system in Kenya,
Yeah.
it's so nice in a way.
Yeah.
Matatus use a different route to enter Nairobi,
Okay, okay.
and where they pass through Kamukunji there.
Ah, okay.
You get? So
Yeah.
when we use a matatu, we'll have to.
So a matatu is bigger than a matatu
I
and
think
those.
here we call it big matatu.
That
No,
one look
we'll
like
go
it's
with-
full. That one coming there. Let's see.
You know.
Because I see it coming. It's coming there. I guess it's full. There's so much people in it. Full. So waiting for one that is empty. Waiting for one that is empty, family.
Where to start? Anywhere.
Yeah. Anyway, while we wait.
So a bus will alight us. We will alight not exactly at Kirinyaga Road because there is no stage of matatus to stand.
Oh yeah.
So we'll alight behind and then we walk.
Okay, okay. Alright, family. Let's wait.
Ay, look at those kids. Look at them.
A bit full.
Yeah, that's
You have to have seat.
no, they even put behind. So
Right. You have seat?
Alas,
You have seat for a pregnant mother?
that's it. Siwezi simama. Ati I go standing up to I don't know where.
Guy.
That will be fun. Maybe even the other one is full,
Yeah,
though.
But maybe the other one never stopped because you see that one.
Yeah. And he's not even ashamed and he can see I'm pregnant. Let's wait and wait and wait.
Let's wait and wait.
But most of these
Yeah.
Now I tell you something now. Most of the
Back. I'll stand.
Yeah, I know what it is. Sweet home.
Radio. My love, where do we begin? Sipping on that red wine.
Lakini kwa sasa mpatia 40 bob kwa sawa.
Why mse Swede?
Yeah?
Why mse?
He said it's 80 shillings. I'm telling him, go away, it's 70.
Ah.
So now he was telling me to give him 10 bob. I'm telling him, go away, it's 70.
Ah.
He came to ask for money at the front.
Yeah?
He
This
came-
one, this one.
He came to ask for money.
Yeah?
He came to ask for money in the front. I told him you'll be paid at the back.
Ah, okay,
And then he told me, by a certain huge guy, I told him yes.
By a certain what?
Huge guy, I told him yes. And I don't even know whether you are huge or whether they can be done. That's big something. This is where I come to the salon.
That's Midtown right there. So we collaborate.
And this is where I go for the salon.
Ah, big tree stall.
When I take the treats, I go on the other side.
Yeah. Big tree.
This is what we carry with me.
All of this is Matumba.
Yeah, all this is even this brand.
Yeah? Hurt me heart and pain me heart. We're going what, this way?
No,
Straight.
yeah, straight over.
Yeah, watch you. So what is that? Go.
So when you go with this road, you go up to Kamukunji.
Ah, okay.
You can walk from here to Kamukunji.
Ah. All of these clothes is blood clad European clothes.
Yeah. I know these ones are
Nairobi, Kenya. How much you want to charge? 80?
70 and 20. But you can't spend from 70.
Yeah.
But you can get one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so it's rated.
Yeah. Yeah, family, this is Globe Roundabout.
Yeah. So there are cars passing above, still entering Nairobi.
Ah,
There are cars passing down. But now all these that you're seeing are going to where we are going.
Oh.
To Kenyan. And these ones are from Embu.
ah,
They
okay,
have to
okay.
pass down.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
I wanted you to experience this so that when I tell you I like from far,
Yeah, you know.
so that you can know how far I was to go.
Yeah, yeah.
So these ones have been packed.
Ah, yeah.
So here I need to hold my handbag right.
Yeah. You hold your handbag, right?
To hold my handbag well.
Yeah. It's going then. Where this bus going?
We are going to Kenya.
Ah, Aribo customer. So they're giving you the line for free? Yeah? Oh, really? Wow.
You think she bought?
Guy?
It's for free. I'll give you 100 shillings for all. And I know where Jamaica Road is. Come, let's go. So now let's go. They give him 100 shillings.
What he say? Dreamline. Moving through Nairobi. Yeah. Oh, it's up. So we never know if we branch.
Yeah.
That was just
What
it.
is the problem with Nairobi? Just waiting for you to fly.
Eh? Dati and Kikuyu?
Yeah, you're so good. I think I'm
Dreamline. Out. Busia. Yeah, family. So we're actually at Dreamline. As you can see, Nairobi. I got to Mombasa, Kilifi, Melindi. All of these places. Kampala. Eh? For the message. Okay. Message. Yeah, family. So we're at Dreamline now. Finally.
They also go to if you want to go even to Kisumu.
Okay.
Yes.
That's the idea.
So if you have any like for Nigeria, please come to the kitchen before you go space.
Collection for parcel. So on the other side is booking for travel, and this side is for parcel.
If you want to send a parcel,
Yeah.
there's a parcel.
Macaroni. Oh yeah. Yeah, family. So this is the parcel. So let's go. If you like, share, and subscribe to the video.